In this video, I'm going to do two examples of common factoring a binomial. Let's take a look at the first expression, 3 times x plus 4 minus y times x plus 4. You can see we have two kind of jumbo terms here. That's the first one, and that's the second one. Looking at both of those terms, we need to identify if there's something common in them. Well, I noticed something common. This one's got an x plus 4, and this one's also got an x plus 4. That's actually our greatest common factor. So remember that when we're factoring, we start by writing our greatest common factor out in front, x plus 4. Now I need to figure out what goes in the brackets. To find out what goes in the brackets, we need to take each jumbo term and divide it by x plus 4. Let's look at the first jumbo term. It's 3 times x plus 4. So if we divide it by x plus 4, we're just left with the 3. Okay, let's look at the second term. Negative y times x plus 4. Divide that by x plus 4, and you're just left with the minus y. There, now we're fully factored. Let's try another one. M times 2 minus y plus 2 minus y. Again, we have two jumbo terms. What's common in them? Well, I noticed a 2 minus y in the first one and a 2 minus y in the second one. So I'm going to factor the expression out. I write the 2 minus y in front, and then I find out what goes in the brackets. Well, if you notice from the last one, the things that went in the brackets were really just the terms that were left over. In the second jumbo term, you have to be able to identify what number would actually be in front of the brackets 2 minus y. And remember, when we don't see a number there, there's actually a 1. So my two leftover terms are the m and the plus 1. Just like that. We call this factoring out a binomial because the term that I found to be the common factors in both cases was a binomial. That's how you common factor a binomial.